Well, dear students, while constructing different angles, so let us construct 22.5 degree. Okay, so we'll take a line first, a line segment. Okay, so at any point let this be A and B. Let somewhere say a point, say here it is C. I want 22.5 degree at C. I want to make. So I'll take this angle, take a measure, a comfortable measure, and put here. Okay, pair of compass, use this compass, get this point. Now this is 60 degree, you know, this is 120, and we want to find first 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree, make it 90 degree. So wherever it is cutting this arc, then join with C, join with C. Okay, I'm joining it. Right, now I need to find 45 degree. So angle bisector. Okay, I will be bisecting this angle. Whatever the angle was there, I will be bisecting it. I'll be keeping here 90 degree. Then this it becomes 45 degree. Right? First you mark this point and then put your measuring scale. Nicely see that whether they both are going through, a straight line can pass through them. Okay, now this is 45 degree. Now what is half of 45 degree? Half of 45 degree will be 22.5, isn't it? So bisecting an angle, the skill gives us how to get 22.5 degree, isn't it? So keeping here this one, and then take it this one, right, and you again bisected that 45 degree. Put this point and this point, carefully join nicely, and you get this line. So this, let this be P. So angle PCB is nothing but 22.5 degree. The method is that the steps of construction is first go for 90 degree, constructed, then bisected 45, and 45 is further bisected to get 22.5 degree. Right? So this is the way of finding 22.5 degree angle measure. Okay. Similarly, if we want to find 15 degree, take a line segment. Same way, anywhere a point, you can take anywhere, you can at the terminal point or the middle point, anywhere you like, you can take a point. Let this be point A, no problem. We want to find here, say for example 15 degree. So take one measure, comfortable measure. Okay, and then get this, nicely fix it, and get this as you have been doing. Go for 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. When I will bisect it, when I bisect it, 60 degree is already been bisected. Okay, this point and this point, carefully take your time to see that both the points a straight line can pass through. Dear students, 60 degree has been bisected and this is 30 degree. In order to get 15 degree, what I will do, I will further bisect this 30 degree. 30 angle bisectors. Okay, angle bisectors. Exactly the intersection point of these two arcs, I will mark and I will put here. Right, I'll see that these 2 points is segment can, a straight line can pass through. Yes. And dear student, this bisection is, the angle is bisected nicely. If you do nicely, then there it will be very good. Okay, I am doing as children normally they do it, so don't be worry about that. Geometrically construction is essentially a skill. Okay, that skill you need to develop, and if you measure, you will definitely be getting this is perfectly bisected, and this is nothing but 15 degree. 60 bisected 30, 60 bisected 30, 30 bisected further 15, 15. Understand? This is the way of, now let us name it C. Angle CAQ is 15 degree. Okay, these are the way of constructing and acquiring the skill of construction of angles of 22.5 and 30 degree and so on. Thank you.